Hello, I'm mingruiwang. Today I will talking about team's strategic path to global e-commerce tournaments. This considered team as one of the great e-commerce players in the world. The explain how team is not just a simple online marketplace that start but has extended its growth to be a recognized name in international e-commerce. It examines the strategic market expansion of team on different continents, looking at the company innovative practices, hurdles, and future in the global business environment. Starting with a company profile, on the US side, team was established in 2022 and lack any fashion. The business website has to be competitive as it was under PDD Holdings, a huge multinational, and cliff to the Nasdaq stock holding as one of the largest enterprise in e-commerce diversity. So within a short period of operation, the business expanded its premises by providing all the group buying service and selling all type of goods directly to the customer at very cheap price. The site was awarded most quick in the US market, positioning itself as a formidable opponent to established giants such as Amazon and eBay, bypassing the high quality and affordable pricing with a wider range of products available. Now we move on with the international strategy. From the very beginning, team had adopted an aggressive internationalization plan. Unlike conventional e-commerce websites which tend to reach a domestic market and then look expand internationally, team took advantage of existing PDD holdings market and infrastructure, launching operation in several countries. Within its first year, team not only acquired a significant percentage of the US market, but also ventured into Canada and parts of Europe, which confirmed the clear born global strategy. Meanwhile, I have researched that major developments within the Team app in the US were achieved by April 2023, user base reaching 100 million active users as well as 40 to 57 million download requests from the 2023 to 2024 as verification of effective customer and market penetration strategy. The decrease in shipment costs and time spent on delivery was due to presence of some logistic optimization, allowing goods to be shipped directly from the manufacturer to the foreign buyers. Now, on the strategic innovation and the resources side, team's market penetration and the growth strategy in the global market can be attributed to its competitive technology and its uh, effective management of key resources. One of the innovative solutions has been the implement of artificial intelligence in logistic operation, thereby improving the supply chain management process up to the point of wrapping the inventory. Furthermore, to analyze the data gathered from various country and international markets, the introduce a personalized style market whereby advertisements are viewed by potential potential customer based on the location. On top of this, the core component of Timo's success is supply chain network system with a very high order fulfillment rate and very few errors. The network also comprises dependable connections to manufacturing and logistic firm across board in pursuit of ensuring product availability and timely delivery. These resources have been vital in ensuring efficient business operation and the satisfaction of customer of the company as it seeks to grow in the international market. Now, when it comes to the challenges and the responses, despite the meteoric rise of team, the journey was not without perceivable challenges. Regulatory concerns have been one of the most limiting factors, especially in Europe where complex regulatory concerns such as the GPSR that require extensive complex approaches. Team reacted to this by beating its particulars after compliance and determining what local uh, practices were doing of the undeterred service. In the US, there was concern about new player team and initiation states. To alleviate this, team introduced focused advancements on social network and work with influential bloggers. In other words, actively off market to attract people and create a dependable image. Uh, Besides that, efficient management of cross-border transaction due to the logistical problem was also addressed by outsourcing local agent for deliveries, improving the supply chain to meet the deadlines and keep the clients happy. Moving on, there is also the concept of push and pull factors that can be applied here. Push factors along with pull factors determine the internationalization strategy of team at home. The saturated uh, Chinese e-commerce sector, which is denominated by fears of competition of the lack of Alibaba and Jingdong.com, made it essential for team to look for least competitive markets overseas. Overseas, North America and Europe were active in the expansion and adoption of the internet in addition to a growing demand for various products with appetizing opportunity for growth. These regions promise not just a larger client portfolio, but also better revenue due to the nature of business. The pull was even stronger given the possibility of brand expansion to and the opportunity to spin off the new lines of product in new geography with this dependency on the home market. So all in all, in the context of strategic perspectives, the future projection that I research is that team is focused on generating new operation in the high growth areas such as Southeast Asia and Latin American due to the more utilitarian e-commerce developing prospects sports by the improvement of the internet and expanding middle class. There, these regions provide both a large and upscale audience for the product and a lower situation compared to the westernized market with e-commerce players. Team Armies utilized its growing infrastructure and enhancement of technology shortly to efficiently target this market within the diverse culture backgrounds by modifying the product and advanced use. Additionally, team is also seeking innovations in mobile commerce and the payment system to address to users' needs better and as a result, capture key market targets uh, in growth market is the year to come. To sum up, the above mentioned strategic changes, the reception of international market challenges and the opportunities, and the push and the pull of team have strategically set it to go further. Now looking at the future, it is clear that team will not only success in the international e-commerce market, but also defend the pace for other operational newcomers.